Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how to change your ad phone number on Shein shopping. So to get started, make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. You can also do this from the official website of Shein, but here I'm using the application of Shein. So now what you can do is simply tap on the Shein application, and once you tap on it, you'll be appear with the home page of Shein. Now from the Me section, which is located at the bottom right corner, go to the settings, which is appeared on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on address book. Now you'll have to add your shipping address in order to change your ad phone number. So simply fill up all the details. Once you have filled up all the details and saved it, you will be successfully able to change your ad phone number on Shein shopping. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.